Hi guys, you're welcome again. Yeah, welcome back to Legit Updates, whereby I give you free updates on how you can make money online in 2022. So today I'm going to talk about Viva2. This is a chat. This is a website that they sell data at cheap prices that you won't even know. You can see right here on your favorite gist channel, Insta blog, and you can see what they wrote here. You can just see what they wrote here. Then Viva 2 is giving out one brand new iPhone 12 to the first reseller that resells their data, their cheap data. So what you just have to do now is just visit their Instagram page, veefavtu page. Then just click on their link right here. I have created so many videos on this, and some of them are giving me some bad audio, so I'm very sorry that I'll not be able to give you some full details about the registration side, but I'll show you how you can become a reseller. My apologies, and it's very simple to register, very simple. So once you just click on that link, they'll direct you to something like this. So let me just show you. So you just know what to feel and what to get as your result. So you can see here, win a brand new iPhone 12 when you are the first to get 5k commission. 5k commission, that's very important. 5k commission as a reseller when you are one of the when you are the first person to get the iPhone 12. So it's just a promo that is going now. I'll show you the time that is remaining depending on the time you start, because time waits for no man. You can see they only have 12 days left for the competition to be over, so you have to quickly hurry now and start. So now you can see everything about it. So what you just have to do now, right now, you just click on register right here. Just click on register to access your account, get it start access. So just click on register now, and then you're good to go. So now I'm going to go guide directly to my own channel, to my own. I'm gonna see the wallet banner, because this is still just a new account. So now this is your commission side. So now I'm going to show you how you can become a reseller. Very simple. Come to your page, your dashboard, and click on this three dots right here. This three dots. Once you are clicked on it, it will show you something like this. Then you just click on reseller. Click on this arrow. Then once I clicked on that, it will show you something like this. Then just click on set up your own portal. I'm making this thing very simple because I did not show you your first this thing. So I know you guys must be able to register on your own. So once you click on this set up your own portal, to direct you to this. So you can just go through all this, and then how to become a reseller. Credit your wallet with, you can see right here, how to become a reseller. Credit your wallet with a minimum of 1,500 one time non-refundable payment of 1,500 is required for a reseller account upgrade. You renew your payments. Reseller setup is very easy, and our team of professionals are always stand by to assist. Once you are fully ready and have funded your account with the required amount, you are good to go. So just click on this, upgrade to reseller. Then it will show you something like this. Then this one up here, even though you have the capacity, you are one of the big boys and big girls, can click on this one time purchase. And this is just limited time offer. So just for the meantime, before they increase the money from 50,000 to 100,000, you understand? So I'm just joking. So you can see here, you can get your affiliate link right here. This is your affiliate link. So just click on copy. Just put on a long press on the place, then copy everything. Click on copy, then share to people that actually need it. So that's the end of those videos. So you can see it's very big and short and very easy to do. So your registration is not a problem. Just go to it directly and put in your 1,500. Next time, if you can drop a comment, you can check my next video. I'll drop a testimonial on this about people that are actually making stuff, something from this. So yeah, look at it. Look at it. Autopilot, autopilot, 20K to 50K daily, and it's not joke. It's not joke. So it's due to your hard work. The harder you work, the more you earn, because there's nobody that is not buying data every day. So you cannot tell me that you're not finding anybody that wants to buy data or anything. So that's the end of this video. So make sure to like and subscribe and share. Thank you once again. And bye. See you in the next video. Subscribe, please, and please subscribe.